Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportBikeTracker.com. Today we're going to break down the all-new RS Taichi Raptor Mesh RST 442 short riding gloves. The RS Taichi Raptor Mesh RST 442 short riding gloves retail for $99.95 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand we don't update the videos for pricing changes. Only if the product itself has been completely redesigned do we do a new video. Who is this glove right for? This glove is aimed right at the rider that wants that short riding glove that gives tremendous airflow and comfort, but is unwilling to sacrifice all the technical protection that you can find in, say, like a gauntlet race glove. All right, we'll talk about that more in a second. Sizing. I have on a 2X right now. That is the size I wear in most common gloves out there. After wearing them for a second, they fit and feel as I would expect. I would say this glove runs true to size. Features and benefits, focusing first on protection. We have a hybrid glove here. We have a mix of textile fabrics, mesh, we've got some Clarino, we have some carbon fiber EVA foam behind that. Looking at the knuckle, you can see we've got a split knuckle here, and that's a great way to keep it comfortable, right? When you wrap your fingers around the bars, it allows that to split and move with you and not fight you. So we have impact and abrasion protection there. End of the ulna, we have a carbon fiber detail here with leather, and there's some EVA foam behind that, right? Protecting the end of the ulna. Palm slider in this glove. This has a carbon fiber palm slider, you can see, and there's a lot of surface area. Leather overlay, Clarino palm, with additional overlays there in the area where your hands touch the bars to help keep the service life of the glove high. But you can see in this area there is really a lot of protection. Very similar to what you'd find with a higher end race glove. The concept here is simple. Most of us, when we fall down, instinctively, your hands are going to go out. You want to brace yourself. The idea here is this just allows you to slide away, okay? It's hard to wear through. It offers a lot of protection. Touchscreen compatible. Index finger, as well as the thumb. Convenient if you've got a GPS or you have your phone on a mount on the bike, that stuff is going to be fully compatible. Airflow. In between each one of the fingers right here, there is a lightweight mesh fabric that has a high spandex quality that aids in comfort, and also it is wide open for airflow. Your hands are out on the bars, the wind's driving in, it's going to flow through the glove, out the mesh fabric that you see back here, and keep you as cool as you can expect with a glove that offers this level of protection. This would probably be, I would say, one of the most protective short riding gloves that offers that level of airflow without being a full leather construction, right? Which you never get the same airflow from that you're going to find available on the market today. Taichi went to great lengths to make sure that was the case. Even here on the thumb, Clarino on the tip, leather with some protective inserts, right? Still plenty of dexterity. Entry and exit is managed right here. Little TPR detail with some Velcro. This is a solid glove. It's a reasonably priced glove, I would say, as well, at $99.95. A lot of features, a lot of benefits, a lot of protection. If you have any questions, leave those in the comment section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you out.